To set stop losses and take profits on Robinhood, you'll need to manually configure two separate orders. As the platform doesn't currently offer traditional take profit or combined stop loss and take profit orders, you can, however, set a stop loss order to limit losses and a limit sell order to lock in profits. To set a stop loss, open the Robinhood app, navigate to the stock you own, and click on the Trade button. Then select Sell. Choose the stop order type. Enter the stop price that will trigger the sale, and select the time in force and number of shares to sell. For instance, if a stock is trading at $100, you can set a stop loss at $95 to limit losses if the price drops. To set a take profit, open the stock page again. Click on Trade and then Sell and select the limit order type. Enter the limit price at which you want to take profit. Choose the time in force and enter the number of shares. If you bought a stock at $100 and want to sell at $120, you can set a limit sell at $120, and the order will execute if the stock reaches that price and there's sufficient value. Note that Robinhood doesn't currently support one cancels the other orders, which would allow you to set a stop loss and take profits simultaneously. So you'll need to manually manage your orders or use alerts to react to price movements. By following these steps, you can effectively set stop losses and take profits on Robinhood.